friends, today I am making mutton rogan josh. It's a Kashmiri dish and I'll show you how to make it in a very simple way. So please join me in my kitchen. So in our pressure cooker, we'll take 5 tablespoons of refined oil. Now we'll take 8 finely chopped onions. In rogan josh we require a lot of onions, so they are 8 in number. They're finely chopped. It almost takes 5 minutes to saute these onions, and we'll saute them until they turn golden brown in color. So now you can see that the onions have turned golden brown in color. Now we will add bay leaves to it. You can add 2 or 3 in number. Then black cardamom. Then 3 stems of dalchini. Little of black pepper. And cloves. Just 5-6 in number. Now you can really feel the aroma, very nice smell of bay leaves and black cardamom and black pepper. I really love this smell and I hope you will also like it while you're making it. Now we'll take half teaspoon of crushed ginger and 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Now we'll saute it again for 2-3 minutes. We'll add mutton to it. This is 1 kg mutton. I've properly washed it. So I'll add mutton to it now. And now we'll add spices to it. 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, so I am just adding half teaspoon more, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander. Now we'll mix it. Now we'll roast it little, and after roasting the mutton for 5 minutes, we'll add 2 cups of water to it. Now we'll close the lid and cook it for 25 minutes. If you are cooking it in pan, so it will take almost 45 minutes to cook the mutton. Since we are cooking it in pressure cooker, it will take just 25 minutes and our mutton will be ready. Now close the lid and cook it for 25 minutes in low flame. So after 25 minutes, we'll open the lid and you can see our mutton is ready. Now it had become very soft, tender. So I want to show you this. This is 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri mirch or red chili powder. So this is the main thing which we require. Now I will add water to it. Little of water, 4-5 spoons. And I'll mix it properly so that there's no lumps. So you can see I've made a red solution of Kashmiri mirch. Now I will add this to our curry. Mix it. Now you can see the color of Rogan Josh is changed. It's now red in color. That's all because of Kashmiri mirch we had added in it. Give it a boil. After giving it a boil, you can see there's a lovely color coming. So our mutton Rogan Josh is almost ready. The last and the final step, we'll add 300 grams of curd to it. I've properly mixed it so that there's no lumps in it. And now we'll add to our curry. Mix it. We'll mix it and our mutton Rogan Josh is ready now. Now we'll garnish it with green coriander, chopped green coriander. So friends, now you can see our steaming hot Rogan Josh is ready, and it's so simple to make. So please try this recipe and let me know how it is.